Kicking this look off, we are using our Tati Beauty Texture Naturals Collection Volume 1. This look is going to be very soft glam, and I'll show you how to raise it up a bit. I have already prepped and primed my eyes, so I am first starting with this color down here, which is the Matte Color Story. I'm using a blending brush. I'm going to just tap into that color and get to work. So I'm going to do one eye on camera, and then I'm gonna do the separate eye off camera. So if you want a review on this product, I have one. It just popped up above my head. Make sure to click it out or check it out and let me know what you think. It's I really do enjoy this palette. I think on my first initial review I wasn't sold, but I'm definitely sold now. Now, using the same brush, I'm going to use this Soothe color in matte, this Soothe matte color, and I am going to use that same brush to blend it out. And I don't want to blend it too much, but I don't want, you know, it's winter, I don't need it to look incredibly orange. I kind of want it to kind of filter or transition into one another very smoothly, and it's just like a hint of orange. Now, using the matte color in Ritual, I'm going to apply that from the outer corner of the eye, and I'm going in a little bit into this crease here. You guys know me, I love a cut crease, so we will be cutting the crease on this look. Brush I'm using, I gotta look up the name of it because it was something that was sent to me, and I'll link to it below. It's kind of got a bit of an angle to it, if you can see that. So I think that's helpful in making sure I don't go too far. I know you guys have seen me use this brush in other videos, but I just want to call that out quickly. And again, this is not a super dramatic look. This is a soft glam. I guess for some people it may be dramatic, but I don't need it to look crazy dark. I just want it to all kind of naturally flow into one another. Around here we blend, so using that same color story, we're going to blend it all out. And while I do that, a friendly reminder that I did prime and prep my eyes before starting this. Also, did y'all see my natural hair's out? I'm wearing it, honey. Listen, 2020, we're gonna try some new things. It's been 3 years since I've worn my natural hair out, so I know it's really crazy, but we're gonna get in touch with our natural roots again. We're gonna get back in touch with them. And honestly, I kept saying, oh, when my hair gets longer, but it's longer now, it's time. As I mentioned at the start of the video, I am cutting the crease on this look. So I am using my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Dark 48. The name is a bit deceiving because it's really not that dark, but that's okay. So we're going to tap in to the middle of that eye. Let me fix my mirror quickly. There we go. And we're going to just pull this right on up. We're gonna look up like we always do, and you see that little natural crease that it created. We're just gonna fill that in like such. Yep. And this doesn't need a lot because the color we're going to use is going to be a lighter color, so we don't need anything too crazy. Now that our concealers had some time to dry, we're going to use Aurora again, both in the matte and the sequins row, and we're just going to apply that onto the inner corner of the eye where that cut crease is. So I just tap into both and I just pack it in. And when I say pack it in, it means I just firmly press the brush against my eyelid. You don't need to swipe, you don't need to do circular motions, you just press it on. And whenever I know in my other videos I've said that and I've gotten questions on what that means. So now you have it. Pack in. Pack it in. Pack it in. Oh, that is just so Tati. Next, we're using our Anastasia by Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. I can't even begin to express how obsessed I am with this, so I won't even try. And we're going to just quickly and easily line our top lash. And I'm doing just a little mini wing because this look, we're going to actually smudge this out, so this doesn't even need to be perfect. It just needs to be good enough because we're gonna smudge it out with a little black on top. So again, on this side. I think that is the fastest I've ever done eyeliner on camera. Ew, getting better. Okay. In the memory row, we have this beautiful black in the matte row, or column. Nope, in the memory column, we have that beautiful black. And I'm just using a flat brush as so. And these brushes are from Morphe. And I tapped into that matte color, and I'm just going to gently blend out that liquid liner while it's still a little wet. I don't need this to look super dramatic. I don't want to take away from that kind of soft lightness that we have, but I do want to add a little drama by blurring it all out. And we want to take it all the way even to that little mini wing that we have. And this is gonna look just so pretty with our eyeshadow, our eyelashes. Using the same flat eyeshadow brush that I used on the lid of the eye, I'm going to just spray a little bit of my MAC Studio Fix onto the brush. And then I'm going to use in the Aurora row, in the glitter, in the Aurora, then I'm going to use in the Aurora column and the glitter row, this color here. And you can do the rose gold if you want. You can do any color that you want, but I'm going with this one because I think it just looks nicer with this sweater that I'm wearing. I am actually going out tonight, so I can't be looking crazy. So this isn't anything too dramatic, but it just gives you a little extra pop underneath the eye, gives you a little something extra. So we're going to tap that in. We don't want any fallout, and that's why we sprayed it with the Studio Fix. And honestly, I probably should use the flat brush for this part, but with it having that black on there, I was nervous it was gonna make it look too dark, and I didn't want that. So we're gonna take the risk with the eyeshadow brush, but if you have two flat brushes, go ahead and use that. I just wanna be careful not to get that all over my eye. So now that we've gotten our water lined with a little spark of glitter, and luckily it's not all over the face, I'm pretty happy about that, I'm going to use my Lilly Ghalichi lashes, and I'm going to put these on off camera. I'm going to do my foundation routine, and then I'll be right back to send you all off. Now, the foundation routine I'm doing, you definitely want to check it out. So don't miss it. I'll be sure to link now, and I'll be sure to link again at the end of the video. All right, I'll see you girlies in a minute. Okay, girlies, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this eyeshadow tutorial, and I hope you also check out this video on Tati Beauty Blenders. I'm not gonna tell you how I feel about it because I want you to go to the video and find out for yourself, but I'll give you a little hint. My skin looks pretty flawless, okay? So please be sure before you go check out the other video to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, bye girlies.